She's like, I don't know if I should let go or not.
Hey, don't bump your head, little girl.
A male voice saying, sit and listen back, as though it was mocking me, and I thought it was Adam at first, but he didn't say anything.
What are you doing?
I think she just discovered
There you go. You can let go. I gotcha. I gotcha. Haha.